Hello, my name is Adele, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a cookie in a mug, or at least explaining it. So first I'm gonna let you guys know which ingredients you need. So we're gonna start off with obviously a mug. It should be around this size. This should do, it doesn't have to be exactly like this, but somewhere similar will do. Not much smaller than this though. And then you're going to need a spoon, and then you are going to need your ingredients, which are 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and then you're going to need 1/3 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then finally you're gonna need a pinch of salt as well as some chocolate chips. So once you have these ingredients together, you're going to grab your mug and you're gonna grab your butter. Now, if your butter is still formed, you're gonna wanna put it into your mug, pop it in the microwave, and microwave it for about 30 seconds so that your butter can melt. You're gonna want your butter to be melted so that it mixes into the other ingredients better. So once you're done with this, grab it from the microwave. Obviously, do not put your spoon in the microwave. And then you are going to add in your sugars. So first you're gonna add in your granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons, put that into your mug, and then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can pack it down into the measuring spoon and then put that into your mug as well. And then you're going to mix it. Now, once you mix it, you're gonna see a grainy, it's going to be pretty smooth, and it's going to be a little bit darker. It will be a thinner batter, so don't be surprised by that at first, but that is kind of what to expect. Make sure that you mix it in well. So once you're done with this, then you're going to grab your egg, crack it into your mug, and then grab your 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and also put that into your mug. You're gonna mix this in, and once it is mixed in, you're not gonna see your egg kind of throughout the batter. You're gonna wanna keep mixing until you don't see it anymore so that it's genuinely mixed into the batter. Once you do this, then you are going to grab your dry ingredients. So your dry ingredients, you'll start with your 1/3 cup of flour, put that into your mug, and then you're going to grab your 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, put that into your mug as well, and then that pinch of salt. Now, if you don't quite know how much a pinch of salt is, just basically take your fingers, put it in some salt, grab it, and whatever you grab it with, you can put that into your mug. It's not exact, it's just a small measurement so that you're not putting in too much salt. So you'll do that, and then once you do that, you're going to mix it again, and then it will finally look like a batter. It's going to be thinner, it's not a thick batter, so don't be surprised by that. If you go like this, it can slowly spill out, so it is going to be thinner, but it also makes it fluffier as well. So then once you are done with this, you're going to grab your chocolate chips. Usually I just put in whatever I'm looking for that day, however much chocolate I want in my mug, but usually about a little less than an 1/8 cup of your chocolate chips will do. It might be a little too much, so maybe just add a little less than that 1/8 cup, but once you do that, you can put that into your batter, and then you can mix it again. And then once this is mixed in, you are going to pop it into your microwave, and then you can microwave it for about a minute. And then once that is done, it will be thoroughly through. Don't be surprised if it's a little bit above your mug. It does fluff up a lot, and then you can enjoy it. I usually like to enjoy mine with a white milk, but whatever you enjoy having it with. So that is how you make a chocolate chip cookie in a mug.